now.
Right guys, we have had one fish. Glenn over there now thinks we've had 2 or 3 because we keep pulling the same one in, right, to wind him up. So we'll have him again after. Mark.
Put him on the other side, okay?
Yeah.
Put him on the other side, right? He's over there, right? And then
we'll pull him out.
I'll have my rod then, and then you pretend.
You get, yeah. We got to wind him up, guys, because he's leading the cod comp. The fish we got, he ain't gonna. I don't think it's gonna beat this fish, but it's gonna be very, very close.
This is just a little wind up.
Yeah, this is just a little wind up,
because we're gonna bring the fish this side.
Yeah, we put the fish over there.
And
he's in the water by there, like. In the water, eh? But we're gonna put it over by here. He thinks we've already had 2 or 3, so let's get his bag in here now. We leave it.
He's still rolling.
Yeah.
Make sure he's clipped in, right? Here goes, guys.
Yep, you got him. Got him, Mark. Hang on.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
There you are.
Oh, lovely. Cheers, bud.
Fucking hell, on fire!
Yes, get in there! It's not, look!
Mark!
Huh?
Brought them out with us.
Hey! Unlucky, Glenn!
See what happens here now.
Cheers, bud!
Yeah, we had him.
We had him.
He thinks that we...
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know that it's the same fish. He thinks we've had 4 now. But yeah, all the boats have come in here now. When we first come, yeah, it was just 1 or 2. They all went around Barry. But now they've all come back. They've all come back.
Oh, this could be a classic episode, yeah.
But yeah, we have Glenn. We'll wind him right up now. Keep our fresh bait on it, Glenn, now. What? Keep the bait fresh. You are fresh.
Yeah, I got a fish on here.
Oh, we got a fish on here?
Yeah, that's cod. Definitely. Honestly, yes.
We got another fish on you as well.
Definitely. Got another one. Yalla. It's a nice fish, this is. Chris. Oh. I got the 2 weights on you, but that's why.
Is that, do you think, is
the fish on? I don't know where it is, mate. I've got the 2 weights on there, like this time. Yes. It's a cod, mate. Cod? Yep.
You'll buy yourself a tiny rod.
Shall I go down here or?
No, seriously.
Pulling like hell now, mate. But I got the 2 weights on it, so he could be smaller than I thought, like.
Yeah, no, he's a bit of time.
Yeah. He's going to come up and here he goes, he wants to go now, look. The cap is off again. This is number 4.
Got a bit of anchor out, have you?
Yeah, Chris.
Got a bit of anchor out, have you?
Where's he to?
Oh, this is a cod, yeah, moving from there. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes.
Lovely, lovely.
Lovely, lovely. Oh, lovely, lovely. Whoa, he's jumping.
What?
You don't believe us, do you?
Oh, Mark,
I said, Chris, you got the net next time.
that, guys. There's another one. That's a bit high. Pull him down a bit.
That's a real one.
That was a real one. We've been winding him up, and that's actually Mark's cod, and that's big enough for the board, Sam. That's big enough for the board. Swallowed you up all the way as well. We're going. Let me off. Huh? Where? He's dragging.
Right up there.
Yeah.
I'll take a photo.
Yeah. That's what I like to do.
All good?
Yeah.
What are you doing that for?
I just get it all in, innit? No, because it's on the side. I don't want the stitching in. So what I'll do, I'll have a video, right?
Yeah.